Today, I'll be showing you how to use the privacy screen for your webcam on the Dell Latitude 7410. Okay, so you can actually see this particular laptop has what you call a privacy screen, and this one comes built in into the laptop. Okay, so let me just bring it a little closer. So as you can see, we do have a privacy screen here. Okay, so it's going to have this little slide button, and to turn it on or to cover your webcam, just slide this thing to the right and it's gonna cover your webcam. Okay, and then you can slide it to the left to open up your webcam. Simple as that. So let's have a look with it in action. So currently it's on the left hand side, and that means the webcam is on. So let's try and cover it. That covers the webcam. Okay, so you don't need to go and look for third-party privacy screens. This one works just fine. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.